Hey guys, it's Hannah here and welcome back to another plan with me. I am in my Valentine's theme planner here, as you can see. If you want to see my setup, there's a link up in the info cards. And here is last week's spread. Very simple, basically just a checklist for every day with a super pretty, Valentine's kit. Today I will also be using a Valentine's kit. I mean, it's actually the week of Valentine's Day, and I decided to go with this gorgeous Tickled Pink Planning Valentine's themed kit. It's for personal size, so it's only 2 sheets, really small, but in my case, because I'm using personal, this is perfect. I've got this one several years ago and I still haven't used it, but this year I'm not waiting any longer. I'm using all the stickers, as you know. So here we go. As always, I'm whiting out all of the text because it's irrelevant. Once again, old inserts from last year that I never used. I only just really need the boxes in order to place my stickers correctly. So yeah, that's a kind of reuse kind of way. I thought I don't need to throw them away just because the dates are wrong. I cover it up anyway. Now I'm using a super pretty, washi. I was about to say sticker. This is a washi. I believe I got this one from a Michaels set. One of my very first washi sets ever, I think. And here I am a little bit tedious and wanting to change things, but the washi stuck down really well, so I end up giving that thought up. But you know, being the perfectionist I am, sometimes I just want to get it the best of my ability. But in the end, I do tend to spend time on things that are not really necessary, because yeah, you don't really end up seeing the mistakes sometimes once you're done, you know. So either way, I am placing the day covers. These are perforated washi from Simply Gilded. I decided to go with these black ones because there is some black in the kit, and I thought it would be a nice contrast to add that in some more. I love these perforated washis. It's so practical. I have to go backwards here, as you can see, because the days of the washi came kind of backwards. So, I mean, it doesn't really matter. It feels wrong to go starting on kind of Sunday and then going forward or backwards. Then I decided to use these super pretty kind of scalloped headers. They all say to do, and there's 4 different shades of pink. So I'm trying to decide where to place them. The very lightest shades almost fade into the paper because they're so faint. I mean, it's Tickled Pink Planning. She uses lots of pink and different shades, and I guess this is a very tickled pink shade, the very light ones. Either way, super pretty. This kit is just gorgeous, and I'm so glad I'm finally using it. And there's even more that can be used, so I will have leftovers that I didn't think I would, but man, like, I just don't use as many stickers as I think I will for a spread. Like, it covers up pretty quickly when you use a personal planner and when you don't go no white space. But I feel like I fill things up pretty well anyway, even if I have some white spaces. I decided at least to use the washi strips that came. They were a little bit of a weird size, didn't follow my inserts from top to bottom perfectly, but I decided to start them where the day cover starts and then they can go all the way down, because I thought you don't really notice when they end up at the washi on top. It kind of fades in together because it's similar shades of pink. So hopefully people don't really notice. But yeah, sometimes stickers aren't perfectly, matched to your inserts. It depends where the stickers are from and where the inserts are from. This is my favorite full box, of course. It's Primrose, the character, and now I'm tedious again and changing some things. I think these stickers weren't super removable, so I had to be careful where I placed them and how I placed them, because, once they were placed, they would rip the paper if I tried to get them off. Then this week again, I'm using this Love washi from Simply Gilded. It's from a Valentine's release a couple years ago, and maybe last year actually. Either way, it's perfect for Valentine's, and it matched once again with the pink, so I decided to keep with it. And as usual these days, I place a full box also on Sunday. as I try not to plan things on Sundays. I try to keep Sundays free and as my rest day. So yeah, Valentine's Day is on Sunday, so I placed the Cheers to Love one there. Thought it would be fitting, love. Either way, I decided to do this style that I add some sort of half or quarter box at the top of each day, and then a little checklist. So my idea is that I place my most important task or the biggest thing happening for that day in the box, either quarter box or full half box, and then I have my top 3 to-dos for that day. So it becomes quite practical in that sense, which I like. I'm planning ahead this time. This one I'm filming, sometimes I'm a little bit behind on my plan with these, and I film them as the week has already started. But finally, I feel like I am in the right order. I did this one, I think I filmed this on Friday. So yeah, and I do the same on other days so that these look a bit cohesive, but trying to mix and match the different shades of pink so it's not all the same. I like to be a little bit scatter planned like that, even though it's all very cohesive, I know. Then on Saturday I love this half box with a little lollipop. I think it's such a cute illustration. And yeah, I love this scalloped heart checklist. I think they are so cute. I love it so much. And once again, I go ahead and place the washi, on the Sunday, so it's the same style as on the other page. I did struggle a bit here, as you can see. On camera, I see now that this washi shade of pink isn't exactly perfect, I would say, to the more reddish tone of blush pinks in this kit. I notice stuff like that. I love to perfectly match my colors, and sometimes different lights show things differently. It's weird. You don't really notice when it's all together though. Either way, this is a super pretty heart, little heart skinny washi from Simply Gilded, and I decided to place this one at the very bottom of each day on the box, because I did have some extra space there underneath the checklist. So I thought I could, add some more hearts. It's Valentine's week after all, so all the hearts, right? And yeah, I think this was, it once again adds to the cohesiveness of it all, which I like. And I love this washi. I love the little washis with the hearts that Simply Gilded has come out with. I think they are so cute. And perfect for Valentine's really. And this blush pink matched perfectly too. The kit isn't foiled, but I decided to keep with a gold foiling because the day covers were gold. So and I also realized I had forgotten to place the dates. So I have these see-through ones from Happy Scrappy that once again I got many years ago, or many, but like several. And I don't know why I decided to go backwards. Oh yeah, I wasn't sure of the days. I knew that the 14th was on Sunday, and because I don't like math, I decided to go backwards. And now I am deciding I want to place a February sticker up in the left corner. I try to do that every week. Sometimes I forget, but and then I write in the year so that when I look back at these pages, I know what year. And there is some of my hair. Hello there, peeking through. I think it's just really, really good. And now I have more Tickled Pink planning stickers. I have this little sticker album that I received in some sort of kit from her years ago. And I am looking for some practical ones because I had some extra spaces and not enough boxes and things from the kit that I used. And since I already had some stickers from her, I thought, these could have as well come with the kit because it's the same shop, same design. same colors. So I found these banner ones which felt a little bit festive and pretty, but I decided to not. I was gonna do them on Monday, Thursday and Friday. I decided to keep it on Friday because there's a special thing happening. And then I found these. I'm so lucky to have all these stickers from years ago, and now finally I can use them. So I have these quarter boxes with the gorgeous tickled pink bows on them. So instead of the banners on Monday and Thursday, I decided to place these, which I think ends up looking really, really cute. So yeah, and now I am writing in things that are happening. So on Monday, I always do my meal plan for the week. And I have this little sample sheet that I wanted to. I tried to find something food related. The only thing I could find was a cupcake, which, well, it's not. It's some sort of food, but it's not like a meal. Either way, and then I write in that I was gonna do some more tax related things on Monday. It's my Money Mondays, my new routine for the year. As you know, a business, there's always things to do. With that, not super fun, but super necessary. To mark laundry day, I used one of these little socks, and I call it tvätttisdag in Swedish, which means laundry Tuesday, but it sounds better in Swedish, I think, personally. And then I just wrote down the different loads I wanted to do. And I don't write anything, I think, in the checklists, actually, because I wanted to keep that for the actual week. Then I actually covered up the rosé bottle. I personally am a non-alcoholic, so I didn't really see the need to have the rosé wine bottle there. I was gonna go, grocery shopping that day, hopefully. It hasn't happened yet, but so I used this little primrose sticker instead. And then I just wrote that I was gonna do meal prep on Friday, which I usually do these days. On Thursday, maybe Thursday was when I filmed this plan with me. And so that's just what I wrote in there. And I found this little cute planner in the stickers stash. And also on Friday, I am marking that I'm editing the plan with me. And yeah, with a little laptop, super cute. I think it's so fun. Everything is so super cohesive. I love it. All the stickers are from Tickled Pink. I just love how it all looks. And then I just wrote that I was gonna do fold the laundry that I washed on Tuesday. So just really my regular routines, but some of the main points for each day. On Saturday, we have this big music contest in Sweden called Melodifestivalen, which I almost watch religiously every year. I love it. It's a tradition since when I was a kid. It's in preparation for Eurovision Song Contest, if you know what that is. So yeah. Either way, here is the finished week for now. I have filled in what I know I can fill in, and I think it looks super cute. Maybe for the finished spread, you can follow me on Instagram. I will try to post an updated picture of how it all ends up, but probably I'll just add in some more little things. Probably just text on the checkboxes, maybe nothing that exciting. Either way, thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to see more from me, subscribe, of course. And yeah, I hope to see you next time. Bye for now.